you're using Windows 10 and you believe your laptop is fine, and you plug in headsets or any audio output and it's not working, so I want to show you how to solve this problem. Without wasting time, let's get started. Now head to your search bar at the left, then type sound mixtures option. Sound mixtures option. Then you click, and after clicking, it will take you to sound mixture option setting. From here, now you need to click this back arrow. After clicking, then on the top you'll be able to see where the written sound output. That means we are going to change sound output. You're going to change sound output from speaker real high definition speaker to this one, real HD audio 2 output. Then you change from here, and automatically your audio output device or headset will start working. So guys, this is how easily you can solve this problem. So guys, if you're new here, please consider to subscribe and click the notification bell below and get notified for any of the new video I uploaded. So see you next time.